So you just listened to one of my favorite stories, Have You Filled a Bucket Today? And the idea is that when you're saying nice, kind things to people, you're filling up their bucket and they're feeling awesome, really good about themselves. Now, when you're saying some things that aren't so nice, you're taking out of their bucket. And when their bucket's empty, they're pretty sad. So I've got 2 pieces of paper here. One has some sandpaper on it, and one has some cotton on it. Now, when I feel the sandpaper, what do you think? How does the sandpaper feel? Does it feel nice? Oh, on my cheek? No, it's kind of rough. It doesn't feel very good. No. Yikes. Now, let's try the cotton. How do you think the cotton feels? Oh, that's nice. Oh, I could lay on some cotton. It's cozy. It makes me feel good. So today we're going to talk about some words. And are they a sandpaper word or are they a cotton word? Do they make you feel really good? Or are they kind of like, it's kind of rough? Yeah, not so good. Okay, so I'm going to give you a couple examples, and then you can do this with your class all together, or you can do it with your family. So it's a good idea. You can just go around and ask some people in your house or some people in your class, and what kinds of words would be a cotton word? What makes you feel really good? Let's see, I think I've got a couple. How about when you use your manners? Like, thank you, Mrs. Mann, or can you please pass that? So thank you and please. Those are some good cotton words. What else could you say? What about if you tell people when they're doing a good job? Like, hey, I like that painting. I love those colors that you used. So complimenting people, right? Giving somebody a compliment. What about when you're playing a game? You can encourage people. You can do this. You got this. Go, go, go if they're running a race. So encouragement. That covers all of those words. You can do it. What about if you tell somebody they're awesome? You are awesome. Love to hear that. You are awesome. So kind words. These are making everybody feel so good. Hey, what about, hey, I like the shirt you're wearing today. I like the butterflies on it or the dinosaurs. That's another compliment. That's right. Singing. Maybe you like the song that they're singing. Maybe you like the way, maybe they helped you when you were hurt. So they helped you, and so that makes you feel good, right? They helped you, so thank you for helping me. Those are all nice, kind words, cotton words. Now, sandpaper. What would make somebody feel not so great? You're taking out of you're dipping into their bucket. Go away. Is that a nice word? No. That's a great sandpaper word. Go away. Wouldn't make me feel really good. I don't like you. No, that wouldn't make me feel good. I don't like you. You're not my friend. Dipping right out of the bucket. What else? Instead of telling them to go, go, go in the race, you would, if you're yelling, you're too slow, well, that's not going to make them go faster. I don't like your picture. That's ugly. Go away. Those are all really, really hurtful things. So think about it as a class. Come up with them together, and maybe you can post them. They're really good reminders, like, hey, remember, that's kind of a sandpaper word, and it's not making me feel good. we think of a cotton word instead. So come together, and this is something that you can keep adding to, right? It might come up in a situation and you're like, hey, he just said he really liked my shoes. You could put that on the cotton board. Yeah, so hopefully you have a lot more cotton words than sandpaper words. But this is a good reminder too. So it's all about being kind and making people feel good and filling up those buckets.